Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. If you're looking to add some additional styling to the interior of your Wrangler or Gladiator, along with comfort and protection for your seats all at the same time without breaking the bank, you have to check out the Tru-Fit Eco-Leather Seat Covers, available to fit both the front seats as well as the rear seats on the 2010 and newer Jeep Wrangler JLs, 20 newer Jeep Gladiator JTs, and the 2013 through 18 late model Jeep Wrangler JK. These seat covers are designed to be a super easy install, sliding right over top of your existing factory upholstery, and they're held in place with a series of straps and buckles. So not only will they protect your factory seats from any future damage, but they'll upgrade the interior of your vehicle at the same time, giving you that luxurious look and soft touch feel thanks to the eco-leather construction. They also happen to remain breathable, comfortable, and cool even when the temperatures outside start to climb. They're also super easy to maintain and keep clean, so whether you're simply cruising around town, your kids are making a mess in the back seat, or maybe you're headed out for a muddy day on the trails, at the end of the day, a simple wipe down with a damp cloth will clean them up, make them look brand new again. They feature a high quality construction with that outer eco-leather material bonded to a foam padding layer underneath, giving you some additional comfort and padding to those seat covers once they're installed on your vehicle seats. And they're available in your choice of black eco-leather with one of 3 different stitching options for the French stitching around the exterior of those seat covers. You can go with the classic black stitching for a black on black look, or a contrasting stitch in your choice of either a charcoal gray or the bright red like I have here, that's sure to make those seat covers pop and look great inside any color vehicle. If you want to get more information or to purchase a set of Tru-Fit Eco-Leather Seat Covers for your Jeep Wrangler JL, Gladiator JT, or Wrangler JK, you can click that info button, head to quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the seat covers or how to get them installed, you can always leave this right down in the comment section below or by simply heading to the website. If you like these videos and you haven't already, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so you're sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.